Welcome. If you've been overwhelmed by batch mentions on Facebook and you want to quiet the alerts, this quick guide shows you exactly how to disable them on Facebook Web from your PC with the latest update. First, open Facebook in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This opens a small menu with several options, so you're in the right place to access your settings without digging through multiple pages. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. A drop-down expands, giving you access to more items. Click Settings to land in the comprehensive control panel for your account. This is where Facebook stores all the customizable preferences for your experience, including notifications. Now, in the left-hand column of the settings page, locate and click Notifications. This section is your hub for managing every alert Facebook sends you, from friend requests to mentions and more. You'll see a variety of categories here, each containing toggles and options to fine-tune when and how you're notified. Scroll within Notifications until you find the Tags category. This is where Facebook groups together alert settings related to mentions and tagging activity. Look for the option labeled Batch Mentions and switch it off. Turning off this toggle stops Facebook from sending you notifications when multiple people mention you in a batch or in grouped posts, helping reduce noise while you still receive other important alerts. If you want to double check, you can stay in the same section and review nearby options like mentions in comments or in posts, ensuring you haven't inadvertently muted something you still want to see. The changes take effect immediately, so you should notice a calmer notification experience right away. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled batch mentions on Facebook Web, keeping your notifications cleaner and more manageable.